Today I'm going to show you the proper way to clean your AHT double hung window. First, you're going to open the cam lock, and using the handle, you are going to lift the bottom sash at least 3 inches. You are going to use the levers on the top and pull down. I prefer to clean the top sash first and then clean the bottom once that's complete. So I'm going to use the handle and pull the top sash down, again, at least 3 inches. And using the same tabs, I'm going to push them in, and that will then release this sash. And you're going to lower it until it gently rests on your lower sash. You're going to clean that portion of your window, and then push it back into place, and you will feel it lock, and then you can push it up. I then clean this portion, and then you would go here and clean the outer portion of the lower sash. Tip it up, slide it closed, and make sure that you have the window locked completely so that you seal out any drafts that could happen. And that's how you would properly clean an AHT double hung window.